Welcome back. You're watching Citizen Live at 1. Now, Garissa County Assembly has approved a 7.9 billion shilling budget and appropriation expenditure for the 2014-2015 fiscal year. In the budget that was approved yesterday by the county MCAs, 64% of the budget was allocated for development projects, while 36% was set aside for recurrent expenditure.
Garissa County government has finally approved the budget estimates for 2014-2015 fiscal year. The chair of the Budget and Appropriation Committee, Mahat Abdikadir, said the big deviation between the previous year budget and this year is as a result of adoption of recommendation by members of the public who called for more resources to be channeled to water, health and infrastructure.
For us, this time we find the budget to be the budget, the people's driven budget, because this budget, actually the big chunk of the money will this time go to development money, because development is 67% and the recurrent is 33%. Unlike last year, it was vice versa.
The County Executive Committee member in charge of Finance and Economic Planning, Idris Aden Mukhtar, termed the approval as development prioritized.
The priority when we did the public participation was water. Number 1, water. Number 2, water. Number 3, water. After that is when it was coming to roads, health, and then agriculture.
In the 7.9 billion shillings budget estimates, the county government has prioritized water, health, roads and infrastructure development. Trade and cooperative development, culture and gender, together with education, received the lowest allocation. Hassan Farah, Citizen Live at 1.
Listed financial services group British American Investments Britam has confirmed that it intends to buy a 24.75% in mortgage lender Housing Finance that is currently held by Equity Bank. In a statement, Britam has stated that it has entered into agreement with Equity Bank for the purchase of Equity Bank's 57.27 million shares in Housing Finance. The move is poised to increase Britam's shareholding in Housing Finance to 46.08%. Britam said the share sale was still subject to approval by the Capital Markets Authority, the Central Bank, the National Treasury and the Competition Authority of Kenya. The value of the proposed sale has, however, not been revealed. Equity Bank's exit from Housing Finance is seen by analysts as a first step in its bid to venture into the home loans market. Meanwhile, the Kenyan shilling has showed little change to the latest inflation figures released on Monday, which indicated that the country's month-on-month rate of inflation had edged to a 7-month high of 7.39%. At the opening of the currency market today, commercial banks quoted the shilling at 87 shillings and 55 cents buying and 87 shillings and 72 cents to the dollar. Traders said they would turn their focus to the Central Bank's Monetary Policy Committee, that's MPC, which is scheduled to set rates next week. However, shilling slumped against both the euro and the sterling pound to trade at 119 shillings and 74 cents buying, 120 and 2 cents to the euro, and at 149 shillings and 75 cents buying, 150 shillings and 7 cents selling to the sterling pound. On the regional front, the shilling edged up against both the Tanzanian and Ugandan currencies. To the Tanzanian unit, the local traded at 18 shillings and 86 cents buying, 19 shillings and 1 cent selling, while trading at 29 shillings and 61 cents buying, 29 shillings and 78 cents selling to the Ugandan currency. Well, and that's how we wind up Citizen Live at 1 to this afternoon. Let's talk again tomorrow. I am Terry Ann Chibet. Have a great afternoon.